everyone, I am the Desert Gardener, and today I have a really quick tip video where I'm going to talk about KNO3. So I've got my tea, let's get started. So in my last video I talked really briefly about fertilizing your houseplants, and I mentioned in that video that I was going to link to another video that I did where I talked in much more detail about fertilizing your garden and container plants. Now when I went to grab that link, I realized I hadn't seen that video in a long time, so I decided to rewatch it myself. And I realized that I had skipped one of my own steps, and that is adding KNO3 in April. And now KNO3 is nitrogen and potassium. It's a naturally occurring item, so it's safe to use in your garden and on your plants. It's not organic, but it is natural. It is 13044 NPK. So it has a lot of nitrogen and a lot of potassium, which is why I like to do it in April. It really gives the plants a boost, but I totally forgot. So here it is May, so I've decided to add some, and I did it last weekend. And I was really amazed at the growth. Every one of my pepper plants grew about 3 inches in 3 days. I was really amazed. So I decided to do it again this weekend and talk a little bit more about it. So if you've ever looked it up, there's not a lot of information about it. It's something that a lot of commercial farmers use, so there isn't a lot of information for the home gardener. For example, if you try to find the amount or dosage you're supposed to use, it often talks about how many pounds per hectare you're supposed to use. Not really good for the home gardener. So I did the math, and it really works out very similar to other home fertilizing stuff. You take about a tablespoon of it, put it in about a gallon of water. Now I used a little less because this obviously isn't a full gallon. Give it a quick stir and pour some in. Doesn't take too much. I've got a little B-roll running here to show how it works, and that's it. Today I'm also going to be putting it on my tomato plants, but I wish I had taken some before and after pictures, but it's really amazing. Now I also use some fish and kelp along with it, and again I explain all this in the other video, which I'll link down below. But it's not too late. If you haven't used it yet, give it a try. Now I got this at Seed Ranch, but you can probably get it at any other place, and it comes on a lot of other names: nitrogen, potassium, or potassium nitrate, and saltpeter, or KNO3. It comes in a lot of different names, but again, I talk about that in the other video, which I'm going to link to down below at the end. So I hope this helps, and I've still got my blossom end rot video coming. I'm doing a little bit more research, and I'm going to have that up soon. So I'll see you then.